Good morning everyone, this is Mayank Chanji here, and this is Nifty, you know, uh, Nifty hourly chart. So this this is where the war started, approximately this summit this level, and since then it is a gradual decline with some bit of recoveries here and here and here and here. But it is not able to sustain above certain levels. On the other side, this is the support with some form in between. The one good thing which happened, I'll show you is that I'll show you again is that if you see the intensity of the fall, it used to be quite sharp. Now that is not declining. So this little curve here means that it's not going like this here. It's making a little bit of more recoveries and trying to take support quickly than the previous low. So this is a good part. Now considering this, I think we have little thing to play as a bull that we will now try. So to understand this, we'll now go to like little longer duration chart, which is daily chart. You see daily chart, and we just try to kind of extra pull it that for a little bit more time frame. Bit more time frame. We clearly indicates that this is a zone. So this is the zone which I have already marked. Plus, if I say somewhere here, so this 400 point range, is where the support lies for Nifty, and it's very crucial for Nifty now to basically do not violate this support, because if this support goes through, which is this one, we are staying at levels of first this, which is 20,000, and then 18,000. So quite a big fall that we could see if all these things happen. So we have to be a little careful here as a bull. So what should we do now? Again, this is what the chart says. Okay, now we'll also go to the derivatives data. This is open interest data, and see how it is right now stacked up. So this is a very broad. So one support is, see, this one, which is 22,000. Then this is 21,500 is where the support lies. Little support lies at 22,500. Resistance is at, again as I know, is at 23,000 levels. Then 23,500. So we have these little pockets of support and recoveries. Support and resistances, So we got some levels from there as well. Overall, we are equal in terms of open interest on both call and the put side. It is same. Everything is same. And in fact, you'd see this now. This gradient part is what show how much addition had happened on Thursday. So clearly indicates that 22,000 put had seen some put addition. That means people are writing the put. We have seen 21,500 put getting sold, and here is 23,000 calls are getting written. So again, but good thing here also that even this level like 2,200, 22,300, 22,500, they also put addition happened. So this is a good sign for the bulls. Combining everything now, with this chart, clearly that we are trying to get some support. We're trying to form some support around this level of 22,200. Is where we are trying to find support. So we have a nice little level to now defend. So my case would be, if you want to go fresh long, in my view, the entry point is 22,900. If it goes above this level, I think then the Nifty could go to levels of 230, 250. Is for sure, And you can always based on your own risk assessment. You can put a stop loss. I may put around 22700. So that could be my failure point. We'll call it failure point. Okay, you have to go fresh. Okay, if I'm existing long, then I'm looking at the same level. I'm looking at level of, so my 22900 and then 23250. I'll exit, if Nifty goes below 22500. That's my failure point. The same. If I want to go fresh short, my entry point should be less than 22200. If this happens, I am looking at the targets of 21800, which is this level, and I just wish it doesn't violate, because this will be it opens a big, downside entry for the equities, for the Nifty for to basically to achieve. So I wish it doesn't happen. If I'm existing short, then my exit could be, the failure, depending upon this assessment. Two levels are there: 22700 or 22900. These two levels which I'm looking at. Targets are clearly 22500 is one, then 22200, and then 21800. Anyway, I think I'm comfortable. It's an individual risk assessment that they can do, but these are the levels where they can exit. They can say as a target achieve, and they can see if this gets validated, then I think it's a big opening on the downside. So yes, depending upon again how much risk you want to take, you can take a call. So on the macro side, again the same. So crude is right now up. It is positive. So it is from equity perspective, it is a negative. US 10-year yield is up, again negative. Dollar is neutral. That means it's also neutral. If as a gift Nifty, it is positive. So positive. So still we are two negative, one neutral, one positive. So we are opening weak. Now let's see what happens, whether we really go down and, test the levels of 22200, or we again make an attempt to recovery and, try to surpass 22900. So let's see that. Hope you like my video. Any question, please free to ask, and I'm happy to respond. Until then, thank you very much. Have a good trading day.